Hey guys, welcome to Region of Tech, and if you guys are tired of apps being revoked after a few days you install them and getting unable to install or internet connection problem every time you try to reinstall them, then this video is definitely for you. Just watch this video till the end and I'm 100% sure your all the issues related to sideloading will be solved by the end of this video. So let's start. Firstly, head over to this website. Its name is FlekStore and it's a powerful sideloading tool available for iOS devices. Using this, you can install unlimited apps on your iOS devices without a jailbreak or PC. You will just need your device with a good internet connection and that's it. So once you are on its website, just click on get here in the top right corner and you will get an interface like this. Here, either you can use this app in your browser only or you can also add it to your home screen by following the instructions given here. I'll recommend you guys to add this to your home screen for easy access and make sure open as web app is enabled. So once it's added to your home screen, open it and allow all notifications. Then there you will see a lot of apps that you can install directly from here in just few clicks. And those apps are sorted into different categories which makes it easier to find your desired app you're looking for. So before you try to install apps from here, you will need to set up it first. For that, go to device section and then click on add device and then click on allow. Now open your settings app. There you will see profile downloaded option at the top. Click on that and install it by entering your passcode. Once done, you will get a success message like this. Now open the FlekStore again and this time in the device section, you will see your device UDID, certificate and premium accesses option. Right now you may be seeing a red cross instead of a green tick in front of certificate and premium, and these are very important to install apps. So to get green tick, you will get three options under the certificate section. Those options are not visible on my iPad right now, so let me show you those options on my iPhone instead. So as you can see here, you will get three options: developer certificate and premium directly from the FlekStore using an Apple developer account and your own certificate. But the best one here is getting a developer certificate and premium directly from the FlekStore because it's best and 100% working. You will just have to select the plan you want to go with and then click on buy now, enter your payment details and make the payment. After that, you will get a green tick in front of premium and certificate instantly or within 72 hours. And if you purchase it from the given link in the description or in the pinned comment, you will get 2 months of premium access for free. And with that premium access, you will be able to access some unique features and exclusive content like some apps. Those are only available on the FlekStore, and most importantly, priority support. So once you get green tick in front of certificate and premium, you are ready to install apps on your iOS devices without any issues. So there are two methods you can install apps with, but the best one is live container. For that, you will just have to go to the signer option and click on install button, then click on sign and click on install again. After that, return to your home screen. There you will see the live container is installed successfully without any issues. You may be prompted to enable developer mode. Just enable that from your settings in the privacy options. In my case, I have already enabled it, so it didn't prompt. Now let's open live container, and when you will open it, you will get a success pop-up with a message FlekStore certificate imported. There, just click on OK and go to the GIT less mode diagnose. Now click on test GIT less mode and you should see a success message like this. Now you are ready to install apps, or we can say unlimited apps without any revoke or internet connection problems. But before you install apps, here are some important settings of live container you should know about to make your life easier. And the most important one is multitasking mode. Just scroll down and there you will see a multitasking mode with two options, native and virtual. I'll show you both options one by one, but for now I'll set it on native windows, and this is the best according to me. Later you will know why it is. And yeah, when you have selected any one of those options, make sure the launch in multitask mode by default is turned on. Now we will install apps. For that, just go to the browse option. There you will see FlekStore library and all the sources you have added in the FlekStore. Now you can install apps directly from here, and you also have one more option, import from files or link. I'll tell you later how you can install apps using that too. For now, let's see how to install apps using library. Just search for the app that you want to install and then click on get. And now your app will be installed successfully. Just click on run to test the app. As you can see here, it is open in a new window like a app, and you can open unlimited app windows unlike earlier when you were only able to open one or two apps at a time. Now let's try to install more apps here. We installed Delta PPSSPP from library. Now let's try to install two apps from import from files. For that, just click on plus icon in the top left corner and import the IPA file that you want to install. and that's it. Your app will be installed in live container successfully without any issues, and they will work perfectly as you can see here. So I showed you apps running in the native Windows. Now let's try virtual Windows option. For that, I'll remove all the apps from the background to show you how it works. So for that, go to the settings, select the virtual Windows option in multitasking mode and turn off the launch in multitask mode by default and close reopen the live container app. Now go to the settings and enable that launch in multitask mode by default again. Doing this will clear all the cache of native Windows if you used that earlier. Now let's try to run an app, and as you can see here, you will be able to run apps in multiple windows within the live container app, and you will be able to minimize, resize and even close apps directly from here, just like you do on desktop or in iPad's Windows mode. And you will also get a small tab bar of the apps that are open in the background, as you can see here. And what if you want to add apps on your home screen instead of accessing those apps from live container only? For that, just long press on the app that you want to add to your home screen, then click on add to home screen and create the app clip. Then select the icon style of the app and install the profile on your device, and the app will be added to your home screen. And when you will click on that, your app will open without any issues. But this will work perfectly only in native Windows mode, and if you have virtual Windows selected, you will get a blank white screen like this. Just click on close button in the top left corner and you will see the app is open without any issues. And if you want IP file of any app, just go to the FlekStore and download the app IPA file by selecting the app and clicking three dots in the selected app pop-up. And that was all about method 1 of installing apps using FlekStore with live container. If you want to install apps using a certificate and another signer, you will just have to email FlekStore and ask for the certificate, and they will send you your certificate zip file. Also, all the required links are in description. If you have any doubts, just let me know in comments, and I am working on a great project and it will be live soon. For now, you can also check regionoftech.com for tutorials, guides and much more. So that's all for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video if it solved your problem. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye and stay safe.